One of the challenges about playing chess is finding someone to play with, but the Square Off chess set is like something out of a Harry Potter movie. It's magic.
The Square Off chess set is handcrafted and beautiful. You don't need someone sitting across the board from you to play. Connect the board to an app and then start a new game against the computer or another user. Make your first move, and when they move on their board, their piece magically slides across your board.
That's wild.
The pieces move with precision, and when your opponent captures one of your pieces, it slides off the board as if they've picked it up themselves. It's more interactive than playing on a computer or smartphone screen. Play against a computer or challenge a stranger from around the world at your skill level. This next product has nothing to do with chess, but it does have magic-like powers. The worst thing about having a cat is that nasty litter box. Litter Robot is a self-cleaning litter box.
You fill the litter robot with any clumping litter. Now, I know this is kind of delicate, so I'm using a candy bar.
Once your cat does its business and leaves, the litter robot starts a self-clean cycle. As it rotates, the clean litter drops through a filter screen, while the clumps get dumped into a lined waste bin. The remaining clean litter is then poured back into the box and leveled out for the next time. The wastebasket has a carbon filter, and since the litter box is emptied immediately, there's no odor. The Bluetooth version, the Litter Robot 3 Connect, allows you to monitor the box through a smartphone app.
The big question is, will your cat actually go in there? And most of the reviewers say yes, they do. A Litter Robot sent me this demo to try out with our cat, Skinny, and she's a little timid right now, but you can follow our progress to see if she actually uses this on my blog, whatthetech.tv. That is What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.